I'm here in the middle of November on a nice sunny fall day to show you the inside of the house. I drove in from Philadelphia and have charged my car from the solar panels on the roof. That is a convenience that others may take advantage of. Front porch. Okay, this is great. From the 1950s when the house was built, these porches would help mitigate the difference between the outdoor and the indoor air temperature. Super comfortable and also eco-friendly. Ceiling fan also helps. We've had some great guests over the summer. This one says, love having fun and creating memories. Thank you. Some nice color details from the markers. We did this as a little social experiment. We set out what I called, with my girlfriend, shelf stationery. Pretty cool. And people just leave little notes. Okay, feed stuff and a basket also for flip-flops and things. Doorway in to the house. Here we go. It's vintage chic. So this is an authentic beach house experience. It includes a television. We didn't have a television for years, but it's a nice feature, and there's also one upstairs. And a piece of artwork here that was inspired by the sunset. As well as a collector of beach or sea glass and shells, including the sand dollars. More collections along the way, and then the beach tags. Here's a little seating, by the way, with some of the original teak furniture from my grandparents, and the beach tags that go back, I think we started, here's the one that was started 1980. So we're talking about 40 years of beach tags, which is a nice story. Artwork by my son and photography from friends. Off we go through cowboy doors into the first of 4 bedrooms. This is the king size bed. Technically it would be like the primary suite, and includes a nice ceiling fan also, which is a good addition to have ventilation if it's needed, but there's air conditioning throughout the whole house, as well as heating for the off season. And the 5th bedroom is really this guest cottage. So technically it's not listed as 5 bedrooms, but that is from the other video, the outside video, the really nice retreat as well. Okay, this first floor has a restroom. The bathrooms basically each include the showers, and this one happens to have a tub. Typical kind of sink toilet, eco-friendly dual flush, as part of the sustainability model. And then also with the efficient shower heads and the whole tub system. Off we go, and easy racks for shower, towels and beach towels. We're gonna go through the kitchen and then on to upstairs. Kitchen has new appliances, so stainless steel dishwasher. These are the GE appliances, including the gas range and the new microwave, all from the fall of 2022. And a new refrigerator. This is particularly great because it holds on the doors full gallons, and that is a convenience, as well as water purification, which is really nice. You can put a pitcher there and have that fresh purified water. Holds full-size pizza boxes. Total convenience too. And then with the ice down below, there's all the importance for a summer cocktail. Okay, we're going to shut this one down. New washer dryer. These are super high tech and really convenient in terms of how easy they are to use with the push buttons, right there. Recycling. And then outside from the other video, this is the Oasis, in terms of the pool, the party pavilion, the dining, barbecue, surfboards, the whole setup. Okay, foot washing, my favorite little invention along the way. And now upstairs, we're gonna go past the little dining and head up to the other 3 bedrooms and the 2 more baths. Again, 1950s authentic cottage. You can tell from the paneling This is the real deal. Here is the upstairs front bedroom. This year we've upgraded what were 2 full-size beds to a full-size and a king-size bed. So what's really terrific about this house now is there are in fact 2 primary bedrooms that each have the bathroom. This one is connected directly there, and the downstairs bedroom with the king-size bed has the bathroom just inside of those cowboy doors. So for 2 couples that happen to have families, like with kids, they don't have to play rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the king-size bed, because there are 2 beds that are king-size, and this happens to have the vaulted open ceiling, which is really nice, and also the deck, which does have a tiny little view of the ocean. So you can see that the ocean is way across there. It's basically 4 doors down. Seating out here and some lounge chairs. So as the sun starts to go down to the west, you can see the glow in the reflection on the sort of the glass and some of the trim of those houses. And then way over there, just through, is the ocean, which is pretty cool for sunrise, just to see the colors of the sky open up. Town is just up the street. This has the additional beds, the yellow room, and it's central air on the 2nd floor, and then the split system on the 1st floor, but we put in these window units just as a backup, in case people really want to juice up one of the rooms over others. Little things like, I grew up sailing, so there's some sailboats around here. And then the bunk room for the often the kids is the blue room with the 3 twin beds. This one also has, given some requests for Xbox, a flat screen, which is nice. And again, view down into the yard here with the pool and the pavilion. And the 3rd bedroom here upstairs has an additional bath, and that has, no surprise, dual flush eco-friendly toilets and the shower. So off we go. It's a house we've loved for coming up on now since the 1970s, when my grandparents bought it. 50 years of fun in the sun here at the beach. I really hope that you enjoy it. If you haven't yet seen the video from the outside, there's a whole additional set of footage, and I think that the fun is really living outside, right? It's going from the ease of dropping off some recycling and trash and parking or charging a car, to getting out and surfing, and then grilling with some cold beverages, the live edge table that I built in the bar, and the seating, and of course the swimming pool and a little outdoor shower to get inside with some clean feet. Enjoy it if you come down. It's really been a favorite of ours.